Hi guys, so here we are again, nearing the end of the course of our subject. But this time, let us introduce ourselves as the Group 6. And in this video, we will be compiling all the lessons and all the learnings that we have learned in this particular course, chemistry. So if we try to understand this thing, all the things around us, no matter how big, no matter how small, they all follow the same principle, the principle of balance. So as we can see, everything in this world works in a principle of balance, and that is the thing that the chemistry taught us. This time, we'll be compiling all the lessons and all the knowledge that we have acquired in this subject, and hopefully you will enjoy it, guys. So this is it. This is the video presentation of Group 6.
I make this video to explain how I understand chemistry and how it works or help in our daily activities. Chemistry is a common one for us. We already know about it, but for me, chemistry is a branch of science that study or deals with all chemical components that behave under the specific object or matter. Chemistry also deals with the followings. First, our basic foods. It contains chemical in every food we eat. Second, is energy. Chemistry also deals with the usage of energy in everything that use. Third, is health. When it's come to the med we take, chemistry plays a big role of human health. Chemistry is the aspect of health. Help not only in developing medicine, but also upon improving human health through food supplement. There are so many examples in our surrounding that deals chemistry. It also help us just see and appreciate how it works. I learned also the ecopath theory. Chemistry is all about matter in this theory. Most capable we use today are made of copper. Ecopath improve the quality of electric current by reducing noise and thermal energy. There are so many explanations about it. Chemistry also help us in our course. It is important in the aspect of identifying poisoning related cases. For example, a victim died due to poisoning. You must know how to identify the substance or poison itself, which will solve the case. Chemistry is best if you explore it.
Chemistry is the branch of science that deals with the identification of the substances of which matter is composed, the investigation of their properties, and the ways in which they interact, combine, and change, and the use of these processes to form new substances. In this subject, I've learned chemistry is more on experimenting, discovering, and exploring.
We're surrounded by chemistry in our everyday life. Chemistry has influenced our life so much that we didn't even realize that we came across of these chemicals. That we ourselves are also made of chemical creations, and all our activities are controlled by these chemicals. The principle of chemistry have been used for the benefit of mankind. Foods we eat have to do with the chemistry. Everything is made of chemicals. We are made of chemicals. Animals also are made of chemicals. And the planets and also the drugs are made of chemicals. The food we eat are also made of chemicals. Many of these changes you observe in this world around you are caused by these chemicals. For examples, the food we eat, getting yourself clean, all of these came from the chemistry. And also chemistry have a purpose also into my course, like forensic chemistry. Is the use for legal purposes like crime scene investigations, like getting the evidences such as gunshots, blood, hairs, soil, and many more.
What is the importance of chemistry in our daily activities? So for me, all throughout the discussion with this subject, I've learned we should go beyond our comfort zone and explore something that we are not familiar with. Just like in scientific method, we have to make a hypothesis wherein it may involve a lot of guessing or even making something which we don't know if it may work or not. In a nutshell, I figure out that chemistry is imperative in our daily lives due to the fact that we have to try harder and work things out even if we're not sure.
Let me share what I've learned in this subject, which is the chemistry. A lot of theories in chemistry, but there are only two topics that catch up my attention. First is the Boyle's Law, which is named for Mr. Robert Boyle, and it states that at constant temperature, the pressure of a gas varies inversely with its volume. A second is the Charles' Law of gas. Charles' Law states that the volume of a gas equals a constant value multiplied by its temperature as measured on the Kelvin scale. So then I realized that we use chemicals every day and perform chemical reactions without even thinking about them. Everything we do is chemistry. Even our body is made of chemicals. All matter made of chemicals. So the importance of chemistry is that it is the study of everything.